25 quickly facts you didn't know about horses. Did you know that Arabian horses have one less vertebra and one rib than other breeds? This gives them their unique shape and incredible strength. Horses have a third eyelid called the nictitating membrane, which keeps their eyes clean and protected. Talk about high maintenance. Meet Old Billy, the oldest horse on record, who lived to be 62 years old in the 19th century. That's older than most humans. Just like human fingerprints, every horse's hoofprint is unique and can be used for identification. Hoofprints are the new fingerprints. They have an incredible sense of smell and can detect water sources from miles away. Imagine having a built-in water detector. Legend says hanging a horseshoe over your door with the ends pointing up brings good luck and wards off evil spirits. Who needs a rabbit's foot? Some horses, like the Gypsy Vanner, can grow mustaches. Yes, you heard that right. Horse mustaches. They communicate through their ears, which indicate their mood, alertness, and intentions. Ears are the secret language of horses. A horse's teeth never stop growing. This continuous growth is a perfect match for their constant grazing. Horses produce about 10 gallons of saliva a day to help them chew and digest their fibrous diet. That's a lot of spit. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Horses can recognize themselves in mirrors, showing signs of self-awareness similar to humans and great apes. The first cloned horse was a Haflinger mare named Prometea in Italy in 2003. Cloning isn't just for sci-fi anymore. They love sweet flavors and will usually reject anything sour or bitter. What's your horse's favorite snack? The most expensive horse ever sold was Fusaichi Pegasus for a staggering $70 million in 2000. That's one pricey pony. Lightning-fast kicks. Horses can go from standing still to delivering a powerful kick in just 0.3 seconds, compared to the human reaction time of 1.6 seconds. Horses are related to the rhinoceros. They share a common ancestor, making them odd-toed ungulate cousins. The original horse, Hyracotherium, was no larger than a golden retriever and lived about 50 million years ago. Horses don't have collarbones. Their shoulders are attached to their skeletons by a sling of muscles and ligaments. In Wilbur, Washington, it's illegal to ride an ugly horse. Do so, and you risk a $300 fine. Who decides if the horse is ugly, though? In New York, it's illegal to open or close an umbrella near a horse. That's one way to keep things calm. The world's smallest horse breed is the Falabella, which ranges between 38 to 76 centimeters tall. Perfect for a pint-sized pony. They can read our facial expressions and remember our moods, adjusting their behavior accordingly. Horses are emotional detectives. Arthritis in horses. It's a common issue causing lameness and stiffness, but it can be managed with treatments like anti-inflammatories and joint supplements. Horses have the Flehmen response, curling back their lips to use a special organ to analyze scents. Horses can see in two directions at once with their monocular vision, helping them spot predators. Horse eyes are like built-in periscopes. Thank you for watching all these horse facts. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up.